The app I made is called Heximal. It's more of a joke title from a typo, but I kept it because it was kind of fun to say. It converts various types of numbers into two other types depending on what you input. Most cultures normally use decimal numbers, the ones we all know and love, or hate, depending on your experience with math. But due to the difficulties in representing decimal with just a series of ons and offs, we use binary numbers at the lowest level of a computer, and it is often compressed to hexadecimal because it's relatively easy to convert. For many people, it can be hard to convert from one base to another by hand. This app helps with that using its own method of conversion. The app is more targeted towards people starting computer science, where learning about base conversion often taught. A use for this outside of the more computer science world would be the fact that in some applications, color may be represented with a hexadecimal number rather than the normal decimal number. Someone unfamiliar with hexadecimal might not even recognize the string of numbers and letters mean anything at all, let alone that it is a number showing the value of the color. So instead of learning the whole concept of number conversion, you could use the app to convert the hexadecimal number into decimal.
I used MIT App Inventor to create the app, which allowed making the math part of the code fairly easy and allows for it to be easily ported over to the phone. This is the designer part of App Inventor, where you design the layout of the app, and here's where you program the app. I wanted to make my own methods for conversion, rather than using App Inventor's built-in methods, so I could expand what it could do in the future. Here's a QR code so you can download it on any Android device.